Hey there, watch enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special to discuss and admire, the Tudor Pelagos 39. Join me as we dive into the intricate details and elegant design of this remarkable timepiece. First off, let's take a look at the overall design of the Tudor Pelagos 39. With its 39mm case, this watch strikes the perfect balance between modern versatility and timeless elegance. The stainless steel case is impeccably crafted, giving it a substantial yet comfortable feel on the wrist. The dial of the Pelagos 39 is a masterpiece in itself. The sleek black background provides the perfect canvas for the luminescent hour markers and hands, ensuring readability in any lighting condition. The snowflake-style hands, a signature design element of Tudor, add a touch of sophistication. Now, let's talk about functionality. The Pelagos 39 is not just a beauty, it's also a beast when it comes to performance. It's water-resistant up to an impressive 500 meters, making it a reliable companion for diving enthusiasts. The unidirectional rotating bezel with ceramic insert adds to its functionality and durability. What powers this remarkable timepiece is Tudor's in-house automatic movement. Known for its accuracy and reliability, the movement ensures that the Pelagos 39 not only looks good but also performs flawlessly. Comfort and versatility are key when it comes to everyday wear. The Pelagos 39 doesn't disappoint in this aspect. The titanium bracelet not only contributes to its lightweight feel but also adds a rugged touch. Whether you're dressing up for a formal occasion or heading out on an adventure, this watch complements any style. As we wrap up our exploration of the Tudor Pelagos 39, it's clear that this watch embodies both style and substance. With its classic design, impressive water resistance, and in-house movement, it's a timepiece that caters to both horology enthusiasts and those seeking a reliable companion for their daily adventures. Thank you for joining me today as we delved into the captivating world of the Tudor Pelagos 39 watch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more watch-related content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring and keep elevating your style with remarkable timepieces like the one we've explored today.